Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. I am Harsha. I am a PEGA trainer at Harsha Trainings. I am making this video to give you the information about we are going to start PEGA training new batch from tomorrow onwards. Timings will be morning 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and this will be evening time for USA students, and this training will be conducted in both offline and online mode. So students who are willing to join online, we have shared you, by this time you would have received a meeting link from our WhatsApp number 9652532753 and use that meeting link. People who wanted to come down to classroom in class training, you can come down for the classroom training. Address is been shared with all of you. And if you or any of your friends are looking for PEGA training, please forward this video and that message to your friends. Ask your friends to contact our admins. The admin number I told you, once again I am repeating, 9652532753. So please make sure the timings of the class is 8 o'clock. Please connect by 8 sharp. I request all of you, please connect 5 minutes before itself and check your mic and speakers. And classroom students also, as tomorrow is first day, it may be a problem to find out the address. Please make sure you start early and reach early. 5 minutes before itself, please come down and sit in the classroom. Okay, do not delay. We are going to start our session sharp 8 o'clock at any cost, and sharp 9 o'clock we will wind up the session at any cost. So tomorrow will be the important first day introduction session. So please make sure you are not going to miss the class. And if you have any queries, any doubts about this, please feel free to contact us on 9652532753. Our admins will respond back to you. And see you in the tomorrow session. Take care. Bye bye.